When adding mixed numbers, you'll still need to find a common denominator. For this reason, you might like lining up your fractions one on top of the other. So that I've got 6 1/3 plus 4 3/4. Now the 6 and the 4 can be added to make 10, but the 1/3 and the 3/4 can't be added until I have a common denominator. By writing the fractions in a stacked form like this, I'm able to just make common fractions to the right. 1/3 and 1 3/4 have a common denominator of 12. In other words, 3 times 4 makes 12, so do the same to the numerator to get 4/12, and at the bottom 3/4 had been multiplied by 3 to make 9/12. Again, the 6 and the 4 can be added to make 10 wholes. Now that I have a common denominator for the fractions, I can add them. The denominator will stay the same of 12, and I only add the numerators, the number of pieces I have, 4 plus 9, which is 13. So an answer of 10 and 13/12 is what I've come up with. This isn't the final answer because the fraction itself is improper, or in other words, the denominator is less than the numerator. So I can pull my 10 wholes aside for a second and think about 13/12. I could pull out 12 of those 13 pieces over a denominator of 12. In other words, 1 whole. And I would be left with 1 more piece remaining over a denominator of 12. When you pull out those 12 pieces, that makes 1 whole, and that needs to be added to the 10 wholes I originally had. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 and a remainder of 1 over 12. That's my final answer.